Fruit salad are a summertime favorite. I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to make fruit salad. This Mediterranean salad has some of the most popular fruits of the Mediterranean that are easy to find and loved by everyone. It is vibrant, delicious and light and comes with an easy, sweet flour dressing. If you're new here, my name is Katie and this channel is all about sharing my passion for delicious Middle Eastern recipes, food traditions and culture with a special focus on my beloved country Jordan. Before we get to the recipe, let's have a quick look at the ingredients. Fruit salad is a very versatile dish that can be customized depending on the season and what you have available. For my Mediterranean fruit salad, I use strawberries, grapes, an apple, blueberries, an orange, and if you like, some pomegranate seeds for garnish. For the dressing, I use honey and a dash of lime or lemon. If available, you can add some rose water for a slightly floral taste. There is a link in the description box for a complete list of ingredients and amounts which you can save and print out. Ready to make fruit salad? Yalla, let's get started. Before you start, be sure to wash and pat dry the fruit, except for the orange. We'll be cutting all fruits except for the blueberries. You can cut the fruit in any order you like. I'm gonna start with the strawberries. Cut off the stalk of the strawberries and cut them into halves or quarters, depending on their size. Add to a large bowl. Cut the grapes into halves and add them to the bowl as well. Core the apple, discard the core, and chop the apple into fine cubes. Add to the bowl. For this fruit salad, I cut the orange slightly differently than I would usually if I was to eat it right away. Cut off the top and bottom ends of the orange. Lay the orange flat on a cutting board. Then trim off the peel, including the white bits, by cutting all around the fruit. Then roughly chop each segment and transfer the orange in a bowl together with the juices it releases while cutting it. I use this method to get rid of all the peel and preserve the juice, which will be part of your dressing. Last but not least, add blueberries to the bowl. For the dressing, squeeze a lemon, discard the seeds and the flesh. By the way, you can use fresh lemon or lime for this dressing, either works well. In a separate bowl, whisk together the squeezed lemon or lime juice, honey and rose water. Add the dressing onto the fruit salad and toss to combine. Optionally, garnish with some pomegranate seeds for summer color and flavor. Serve immediately or cover and store in the refrigerator until ready to serve. And that's it, your Mediterranean fruit salad is ready. Sahtin, enjoy!